In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and reposition a subtitle in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to fine-tune your subtitle's look, move it exactly where you want it, and quickly preview your slide to make sure everything feels polished and professional. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and navigating to the slide that contains the subtitle you want to adjust. Make sure you're in normal view so you can see the slide canvas and its thumbnails on the left. Click the thumbnail of the slide you want to work on so you're editing the correct one. Next, click directly on the subtitle text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box with handles around the text. If you accidentally select the title or another object, just click again on the subtitle area. Once it's selected, your changes will apply only to that text. Head to the Home tab to refine the text's appearance. In the font group, choose a clear, readable font that matches your presentation style. Adjust the font size so the subtitle is easy to see but doesn't overpower the title. For color, pick something with strong contrast against the background so it's legible at a glance. You can also apply bold or italics for emphasis, and use the text case options if you want all caps or sentence case for consistency. Aim for simplicity and clarity. Subtitles should support the message without drawing too much attention. To reposition the subtitle, click and drag the text box to a new location on the slide. As you move it, look for alignment guides that help you center it or line it up with other elements. For small, precise adjustments, use your arrow keys to nudge the box a few pixels at a time. Keep an eye on spacing relative to the title and any images so the layout feels balanced and intentional. For finer control, open the Format tab while the text box is selected. Here, you can adjust text alignment to left, center, or right, depending on your design. Tweak line and paragraph spacing to improve readability and avoid crowding. If you want a touch of style, apply subtle text effects like a light shadow or soft glow, but keep it minimal to maintain clarity. Finally, preview your slide to confirm everything looks the way you expect. Use Slideshow or Reading View to see the subtitle at full size and check that the font, color, position, and spacing are all working together. If something feels off, return to the slide and make quick tweaks until it looks just right.